Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss 5 kingdom system of classification. This classification was given by R.H. Whittaker in 1969. He gave this classification on the basis of 4 main criteria. First one was cell type, or you can say cellular complexity. Second one was cellular organization. Third one was mode of nutrition. And the fourth and last is ecological role that is played by organisms. So we will talk about first criteria, that is cell type or cellular complexity. So he first separated all those organisms which do not have true nucleus, or you can say which are prokaryotic. So he separated all those organisms which are prokaryotic in nature and kept them in a kingdom that is called monera. So in this diagram, first he kept all those organisms. So here I am taking first criteria, that is cell type or cell complexity. So these are organisms which are prokaryotic in nature. So all prokaryotes were kept in a kingdom that is called monera. So monera include eubacteria, archaebacteria, and blue-green algae. All these organisms have, or you can say do not have, true nucleus. So that's why they are called prokaryotes. So all prokaryotes, on the basis of their prokaryotic nature, on the basis of absence of nucleus, were kept in a kingdom that is called monera. So this kingdom was made by cell complexity or cell type. And which type of cell is there? Prokaryotic cell. So all the prokaryotic organisms were kept in a kingdom monera. Now coming to next criteria, that is cellular organization. So you know that, so when we separated all prokaryotic organism, so what we have left over? We have all the eukaryotic organism, the organism which have true nucleus. So he separated eukaryotic organism first on the basis of this criteria, that is cellular organization. Cellular organization means either these eukaryotic organism, either they are unicellular or they are multicellular. So here I am taking cellular organization. In cellular organization, there are organisms which are unicellular and there are organisms which are multicellular. So he kept all those organisms which are eukaryotic and unicellular. So the organisms which are eukaryotic and unicellular were kept in a different kingdom. That kingdom is called kingdom protista. So look, these monera are also single-celled organisms, but they are prokaryotic. So here above this line, we have all the organisms that are eukaryotic. So here you can write like this. Here you have prokaryotes, and here all the organisms that are in that area are eukaryotes. So in eukaryotes, there are two types of organisms. Organisms which are unicellular and organisms which are multicellular. So all the organisms which are eukaryotic and unicellular were kept in a kingdom that is called protista. So this protista have organisms like yeast, all the unicellular eukaryotic organisms, paramecium, euglena, Chlamydomonas, amoeba. So all these organisms are kept in kingdom protista. So organisms which are eukaryotic and unicellular were kept in kingdom protista, and these were differentiated on the basis of cellular organization. Cellular organization is of two types: either it is unicellularity or it is multicellularity. So here above protista, so protistan line is there. So this was eukaryotic area, and we have divided into two. The one is unicellular, and the kingdom of unicellular is protista. Now coming to multicellular eukaryotes. So we have left only multicellular eukaryote. We have classified or differentiated unicellular prokaryotes and unicellular eukaryotes. Unicellular prokaryotes were kept in kingdom monera, and prokaryotes, unicellular eukaryotes were kept in protista. So now we have eukaryotic multicellular. These organisms were classified on the basis of mode of nutrition and ecological role. So first we will talk about mode of nutrition. So mode of nutrition may be of three types. First, autotrophic organism which can photosynthesize or which can prepare its own food by photosynthesis. And the second one is heterotrophic, which derive their food from other organisms. And this heterotrophic mode of nutrition further have two types. One is ingestion and another is absorptive. Absorptive mode and ingestion mode. In case of ingestion, first organism will ingest that food and they will digest it then. But in case of absorptive, first organism will secrete digestive enzyme outside their body, and these digestive enzyme will break down the food into simpler form, then they will absorb it. So here autotrophic mode of nutrition is found in plants, so it was given name kingdom plantae. Absorptive mode of nutrition is found in fungi, so it was kingdom fungi. Ingestion type of nutrition is found in animals, so its name was given kingdom animalia. So on the basis of mode of nutrition, that is autotrophic, if it is at autotrophic, all the organisms that were photosynthetic autotrophic were kept in kingdom plantae. All the multicellular organisms, because unicellular organisms are classified here. All the unicellular organisms, it may have you can say autotrophic mode of nutrition, absorptive, ingestion, all will be there. But when we talk about multicellular eukaryotes, the organisms which are multicellular eukaryotes and autotrophic will be grouped into kingdom plantae, and the organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular and have absorptive mode of nutrition will be kept in kingdom fungi, and all the organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular and have ingestion type of mode of nutrition will be kingdom animalia, or will be classified or will come under kingdom animalia. So now fourth criteria, that is ecological role. So plants, what type of ecological role plant have? They are producer. So plants are kingdom plantae. These are producer. All the photosynthetic organisms, these are producer. Fungi, these are decomposer. Animalia, these are consumers. So on the basis of these 4 criteria, R.H. Whittaker gave 5 kingdom system of classification, and these 5 kingdoms are kingdom monera, protista, plant kingdom plantae, kingdom fungi, and kingdom animalia. So first, on the basis of cell complexity, either a cell will be prokaryotic or a cell will be eukaryotic. So all the prokaryotic cells, that are eubacteria, archaebacteria, and blue-green algae, were kept in a kingdom that is called monera. And all the eukaryotic cells, which are unicellular, were kept in kingdom protista. All the multicellular eukaryotes, and which have autotrophic mode of nutrition and which are producers, was kept in kingdom plantae. All the organisms which are eukaryotic, multicellular, and have absorptive mode of nutrition and decomposers are kept under kingdom fungi. All the organisms which are eukaryotes, multicellular, and have ingestion type of mode of nutrition and are consumers were kept in kingdom animalia. So this is 5 kingdom system of classification.